Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create this strobe effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. So I've got two clips on my timeline. The first one is the main footage and the second one that we'll use to create the strobe. I'll zoom in on the timeline to make precise cuts. Zooming in helps you see exactly where each cut goes, so the timing looks clean and sharp when you play it back. Now I'll move 3 frames forward on my second clip and make a cut using the blade tool B. Then I'll go 1 frame ahead and cut again. Next, I'll move another 3 frames, then 1 frame, and repeat this pattern a few times to create that strobing effect. Now I'll delete the extra parts of the ghost clip, keeping only the 3 frame slices and removing everything in between. This gives us those quick flashes that create the strobe effect. Let's play it back and see how the effect is looking so far. Next, I'm going to retime the main clip to add some speed variation. With clip 1 selected, I'll press Ctrl+R to open the retime controls. Then I'll add a speed point right here. Drag the playhead forward a bit and add another speed point. I'll click on this little speed handle icon and drag it all the way to the left. This speeds up that section of the clip, which makes the strobe effect feel more sudden. Next, let's open the Rettime curve to fine-tune the speed transition. Now select clip 1 and click on the new keyframe icon right here. This was recently added in the latest version of DaVinci Resolve. You'll now see all the available speed parameters we can adjust. Now, click on the curve next to Rettime Speed to enable it. Then click on the Keyframe Curve icon on the top, open the Rettime Curve panel. Now select the entire speed curve by dragging over it, then click on the Ease In and Out option, and that's it. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more, and don't forget to tap the bell.